Today, we will learn how to calculate process capacity in a single flow. Process capacity refers to the maximum workload or output that a process, system, or resource can handle within a specified time frame. To better understand the concept of a process and its process capacity, let's delve into the process of making hot dogs, which involves several steps. Initially trimming the ingredients, mixing them together, stuffing the mixture into casings, cooking and flavoring the hot dogs, peeling the casings if applicable, and conducting inspections to ensure quality and safety. This sequential process highlights the various stages involved in transforming raw ingredients into the final product. To analyze the process capacity, we collected data from a sample factory, which includes the following information. The factory has 2 grinders that could process 22,000 hot dogs per batch in 5 minutes each. 6 mixers that can handle 22,000 hot dogs per batch in 1/3 hour, 22 minutes, for mixing, and data regarding other stages. With this data at hand, the question that arises is, what are the flow rates of these process stages? To determine the capacity of each process step, which represents the maximum flow rate, R, through that step, we will express the capacity in consistent unit, specifically dogs per minute. For the grind process, each grinder can handle 22,000 dogs in 5 minutes, resulting in a capacity of 4,400 dogs per minute. Since there are 2 grinders, the combined capacity is 2 times 4,400 dogs per minute, totaling 8,800 dogs per minute. In the mix process, the capacity of each mixer is calculated by dividing 22,000 dogs by 1/3 hour times 60 minutes per hour, resulting a capacity of 1,100 dogs per minute. As there are 6 mixers, the total capacity becomes 6 times 1,100 dogs per minute, amounting to 6,600 dogs per minute. Applying the same computation procedure, we can determine the flow rates of the subsequent process steps as follows. Stuffing has a flow rate of 6,900 dogs per minute. Cook and flavoring operates at 5,000 dogs per minute. Peeling at 5,600 dogs per minute, and inspection at 6,120 dogs per minute. We will now calculate the process capacity for the entire hot dog making process. The capacity of a process is determined by the minimum capacity among all sub-processes. After evaluating the flow rate of each stage, we find that the cook and flavor stage has the lowest flow rate at 5,000 dogs per minute. This means that the overall process cannot consistently produce more than 5,000 dogs per minute. The sub-process that imposes the maximum constraint on the entire process is referred to as the bottleneck. In this case, the cook and flavor stage acts as the bottleneck. Consequently, the process capacity is limited to 5,000 dogs per minute. Let's examine the hot dog making process from a different angle. The graph identifies the cook and flavor stage as the bottleneck with a flow rate of 5,000 dogs per minute. Considering this flow rate, we can calculate the hourly production capacity of the process by multiplying it by 60 minutes per hour. Consequently, this process has the ability to produce 300,000 dogs per hour.